Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today I'm going to make a logo sign for GP Rents. GP Rents stands for Great Plains Rental. It's a company that rents equipment like tractors, skid steers, pretty much heavy equipment, and they can meet just about any of your needs that you have out on a farm or any construction site. This company sponsors Arms Family Homestead. I'm making this sign for Daniel, so whenever he is using their equipment, talking about them and reviewing them, he'll have a sign to stick up, so just kind of more advertisement for him. So let's get started. it. I mean, it wasn't a real complicated sign. Everything cut pretty sharp. That was all done with end mill. And you saw that it used a 1/4 inch end mill for all the clearing, and then I went back with an 1/8 end mill to do all the detail. You saw me screw up the painting where I painted the little swoosh right here, started out orange. I maybe have to make the machine do paint by numbers, I don't know. But this is going to be part 1 of 2 videos like this. Daniel also has another company that he does reviews for. So I'm going to go ahead and do that logo too, so he can utilize signs in all of them. Well guys, I appreciate you watching. If you hadn't done so yet, please subscribe. I'll catch y'all next time.